Dear students, let us begin a new chapter. Chapter 4 Simple Equations. Chapter 4 Simple Equations. Chapter 4 Simple Equations. So, what is equation? First of all, we will think about what is an equation. On page, the definition is on page number 79. An equation is a condition on a variable. The condition is that two expressions should have an equal value, not that at least one of the two expressions must contain the variable. And the definition is given on page number 79. And here in this first video, we will learn about how to make an equation. And I have told you, equation, of course, there is an equal to sign is there, and it has two sides, and it is separating by equal to sign. Of course, there is equal to sign is there, and this side is known as LHS or left hand side, or this side is known as RHS or right hand side. Right. So it has two parts. It is separated by an equal to sign. Equation में the condition. It's a condition on a variable. It's a condition on a variable, and it has both sides and the two sides. The left side and the right side should be equal. And in short, we call it as LHS, that is left hand side, and RHS, that is right hand side. So, what is the condition? How to make equation? What is the condition? Let us think about some conditions there. And directly we will take some examples there. Exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Let us see some condition. Exercise 4.1. Question number 4. Exercise 4.1. Question number 4. Write the equations for the following statement. Write the equations. Write the equations for the following statements. Write the equations for the following statement. First one is the sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. 4 is 9. So how to make the equation? The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. How to make the equation from this statement? This is unknown number x. So you can write. So sir, I am going to make the equation. The unknown number x you write, and here it is what is sum. So you put the symbol plus there. Sum means adding together. तो x के बाद में आप प्लस डाल दो. उसके बाद x and 4. When you write 4 here, now it become x plus 4 and is 9. Is 9. Then the answer is 9. So x plus 4 equal to 9. So this is the method to make an equation. X plus 4 equal to 9. So here it is equation equal to sign is there, and the left side is x plus 4 and right side is 9. So this is the method to make an equation from a statement. An equation from a statement. And we shall move to the second question. Now, second one. Let us move to the second question. How to make the second one? What is the second one? 2 subtracted. Second question. 2 subtracted from y is 8. 2 subtracted from y is 8. 2 subtracted. Now इधर subtraction आया है. Subtraction means subtraction का सिंबल क्या होता है? माइनस, है ना? Subtraction का सिंबल है माइनस आएगा. 2 subtract from y. Subtraction में जो from के बाद में जो आएगा वो आगे चला जाएगा. देखना ना, from y किसमें से माइनस करना है? 2 subtracting. अब बोल रहे 2 subtract करो और किसमें से माइनस करना है? From y. तो y कहाँ आएगा? ये आ जाएगा. y minus 2 and the answer is 8. So y minus 2 equal to 8. So it's a simple method. So converting the statement to equation. This is the method. Okay, here also two sides are there, LHS and RHS. And the main thing, as I told you, the main thing is इक्वेशन में क्या होगा? इक्वेशन में इक्वल टू साइन होगा जरूर, एक इक्वल टू साइन होगा कंपलसरी इक्वेशन में, और इनका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी होता है और राइट हैंड साइड भी होगा. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड देखिए y minus 2 equal to 8. चलो moving to the third one more. You can take one more example. You can take one more example. What is that? Third one is question number 3. Question number 3. 10 times a is 70. 10 times a is 70. 10 times a. 10 times. 1 time a, 2 times a, 2a, 3 times a, 3a, 4 times a, 4a, 5 times a, 5a. So here it is 10 times. So you can write 10a. 10a equal to 70. It's simple. 10a equal to 70. 10a equal to 70. Now one more. You can take one more. Fourth one. The number b divided by 5. The number b divided by 5. The number b divided by 5 gives 6. Gives 6. The number b divided by 5. अभी डिवाइड साइन आया है, किसको डिवाइड करने का है? b को डिवाइड करने का. b डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इक्वल टू 6. b डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इक्वल टू 6. ओके, नाउ 1 2 3 4 हो गया है. तो फिफ्थ वन क्या होगा? लेट अस सी. अब सर क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखेगा, आपको क्वेश्चन लिखना है पेज नंबर 81. आप पेज नंबर 81 में जो पढ़ा है ये देखिए. पेज नंबर 81 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हो गया, 4 हो गया. देन फिफ्थ वन अभी मैं क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखूंगा, आपको नोटबुक में टेक्स्ट बुक में देख के लिखना है. पेज नंबर 8 में पढ़ा है, एक्सरसाइज 4.1 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर क्या लिखेगा? 3/4 means 3/4 t. 3/4 means 3/4 t equal to is 15. Equal to 15. So this is the answer. 3/4 t equal to 15. Then sixth one. What is the sixth one? Sixth one का आंसर लिख दो. What is the question? 7 times m plus 7 gives you 77. 7 times m plus 7. 7 times m means 7m plus 7 equal to 7m plus 7 equal to 77. 7m plus 7 equal to 77. The seventh question. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. 1/4 of a number, that means x by 4. 1/4 minus 1/4 of a number minus 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. Minus x minus 4 equal to 4. Then eighth question. Eighth one. What is eighth one? If you take away 6 from 6 times y. 6 times y. 6y minus 6. 6y minus 6 equal to 6y minus you get a 60 equal to 60. Then how many left out? One more. Last one is question number 9. Question number 9. What is that? 9. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, 1/3 of z, that is z upon 3 plus 3. Adding 3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30 equal to 30. So what is the equation? Z by 3 plus 3 equal to 30. So, and dear students, and these all these 9 questions, exercise 4.1 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सर ने किया है. तो सिमिलर क्वेश्चन इसमें होगा, तो आपको कंप्लीट करना है, स्टेटमेंट में से इक्वेशन बनाना है. सो प्रिपेयर फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन एंड राइट द हेडिंग चैप्टर 4. व्हाट इज दैट? सिंपल इक्वेशन. एक नया शुरुआत है, नया पेज में आपको नोटबुक में लिखना है चैप्टर 4 सिंपल इक्वेशन, देन कन्वर्ट एंड दिस ऑल दिस कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज 4.1 एंड प्लीज कंप्लीट इट. ओके, so we'll meet you the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.